This is the tutorial on how to export advanced movement. We can export the advanced movement for both summary and details. First, let's see how to export the details. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the Billing tab. Next, click Reports. From the Report Type dropdown, select Advanced Movement. Choose Details. Click Export Report. The report status will change from pending to ready. When the report is ready, click on the Excel link. This is the Excel form of the report. We can see the details for the advance movement. Next, to export summary, choose Summary. Click Export Report. When the report is ready, click on the Excel link. This is the report in Excel form. We can view the summary for the advanced movement. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.